North Carolina rifle season in my region. I'm back on the Bowling Farm. We are after a big doe that I missed during muzzleloader season. We switched it up. We've been hunting out of the box blind on the cornfield, but today I'm sitting on the river or the creek in the two-man ladder stand. Got a falcon over my right shoulder. It's a pretty cool little bird. I've seen it for the past 2 days. So we're gonna try to self-film this one from the tree. Got our muddy camera mount. First time we've used it, so I guess we'll see how good it turns out. Kind of bulky, a little bit heavy, but so far so good. We did put out some corn just to see what happens. A couple small bucks running around here on camera, but I'm after this one big doe. Me and her, we have a story, so I hope to end it today. Keep up with us here. We'll bring you back here in just a little bit to check it all out. Well, we've been in the stand for about 1 hour and 40 minutes. I got nothing but a couple squirrels and a woodpecker. That woodpecker's like one tree over, and he don't care. He's just having him a good time. Somebody shot about 2 farms over, probably 10 minutes ago. That's all so far. Well, he's not the deer I was after. But they couldn't let him walk. I should have. But can't eat them if they're in the freezer. And we're pretty much out of deer meat. There you go. I can't say I'm overly excited. I'm happy. 10 till 9. I'm glad he dropped where he did. I was hoping it was that big doe. But we'll go down here and get him worked up and get him boned out. Take him home. Might do an evening sit, try to get that doe. I'm really after that big doe. But, all right, boys and girls, we'll go take a look at our deer here. Make sure we're on safe. We'll get a hold of Jeff. Well, guys and girls, don't hate me because I still got you on the camera arm. But I'm walking down here. Jeff's got the tractor out. We're gonna walk down here and get him in the bucket. And then we're gonna go bone him out. Make some summer sausage out of him this evening.